Chrome finish to create a bright, highly reflective, cool gray metallic look. Plastic tray attaches in the shower by the bottom of the uni. Designed for hassle-free installation. Clamp required for installation, BR 587 or 588, sold separately. To faucets that perfectly balance your water pressure, Moen sets the standard for exceptional beauty and reliable, innovative design. Top reviews from the United States. Replacement. It was a replacement for one with a broken soap dish, the plastic part. No one carries these anymore, so I was pleased to find this. Came with stainless steel screws. As far as sturdiness, I have it screwed into 2x4s but still won't count on pulling myself up out of tub by it. It is a fine replacement.